Hey everyone, welcome back to our weather nightcast for Wednesday night. Mike Schultz with you once again. And I never get tired of saying this, but the weather is not showing any signs of change. Temperatures will continue, like I said, near 50 degrees this weekend. And we're looking at no precipitation in the forecast, just mainly cloudy skies. But the warm air coming from the south is what we're really excited about. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. If you haven't got out to the ice park yet, you better get out there pretty soon because they are really being affected by these warm temperatures. This is one of the single blocks. Look at the colors and that beautiful colors. This was sent in by Nancy Hummel, and it's one of the last of the single blocks there. It's hidden in the trees, so that's why it's not getting too much sun. But if you ever get a chance to get out there, and the kids will have a great time on the slides too. Here's your numbers right now. 43 degrees, low last night 7. The record high 56. That was in 1915. Record low 38 below in 1935. And sunrise and sunset works out to 12 hours and 49 minutes, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. On our satellite and radar, a little more cloudiness today. We've got some moisture coming up from the southeast, moving to the northwest, and that's helping to bring a little bit more thin clouds up to our direction. Also, some rain is starting to develop over southeast Alaska, as you can see on the map there. And the big map is showing, once again, widespread rainfall from Juneau right on down to Ketchikan. Little rainfall around Kodiak Island also. Not too bad at Anchorage, 46 degrees there, with actually some showers in the area, and showers along the Aleutian chain. Then after that, you get back to the partly cloudy to clear skies everywhere you look. 22 degrees at Nome. Not too bad in Barrow, 6 degrees below zero, but 27 above in Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather, quite a bit of weather to talk about tonight. Things are really changing there. Nice weather over the western half of the country, very warm, 72 degrees in San Francisco, cooling off a little bit around Denver, and showers and thunderstorms are rumbling across much of the midsection of the country. And over the northeast, also some thunderstorm activity there too. But what we're looking at right now is this band of thunderstorms right here that is working its way through Oklahoma into Arkansas and Missouri. And already there have been reports of some tornadoes touching down. No reports of any fatalities or injuries, but still shows you that the activity is really picking up, and it's expected to get worse tomorrow. Also out to the west, we have warm temperatures moving back into the picture. 83 degrees at San Jose tomorrow, 94 in Los Angeles, and Fresno 87 degrees as warm air is really here to stay. And it's all because the jet stream, once again, way up to the north, allowing all this warm air to come in, and warm and humid conditions over the deep south also, and a little cooler over the northeast. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like. In the northern sections, mostly sunny skies for Nome, partly cloudy and warmer at Fort Yukon. Now here in the interior, we'll be looking at another great day. Lots of sunshine, but winds will be increasing through the passes and in the Delta Junction area, maybe up to as high as 50 miles an hour, so keep that in mind. As far as southeast Alaska, more rain in the forecast for Juneau and for Ketchikan, with temperatures around 50 degrees. While over the southwest part of the state, rain showers are likely in Coal Bay and at Kodiak, and some wind once again around the Kodiak region, cloudy skies for Bethel. Now over the central sections around the Anchorage Bowl, mostly cloudy in Anchorage, rain showers at Homer, and rain and snow showers for Valdez. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather, and this week we're talking with the kids from Northern Lights Academy. And tonight, here's a young man with a very interesting question.
My name is Jesse, and I go to Northern Lights Academy. And my weather question is, without technology, how would you tell if a hurricane is coming? I know I live in Alaska, but if I lived in the 48, what signs do I see?
Jesse, if you were in the lower 48 in the Gulf Coast states or the eastern seaboard, you'd be looking for one main ingredient, the barometer. Barometer really indicating how much the low pressure is moving in from the east or the southeast. And that would be the main thing you're looking for. Of course, the waves getting bigger and the clouds in the sky looking a little more ominous. That's the main ingredients, but technology really will help you out there big time. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Tomorrow night, the teacher of the class will be here sharing you a unique weather fact. Here's your forecast for tonight. Very little change with clear skies and cool temperatures once again. 8 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast, sunny early, then more clouds moving in, but continued warm temperatures, 45 degrees. And last night we were talking about 50-degree temperatures. We still are on Sunday. Looking like it should be around 50 degrees by Sunday, with overnight lows again rising to near 20 degrees each night. And again, no precipitation in the forecast. So it is just looking incredibly wonderful for this weekend for any kind of activities you want to plan.